Integrity. Those things, which ye have both learned, and received, and heard, and seen in me, do. Philippians chapter 4 verse 9. Integrity is the glue that holds our way of life together. What our young people want to see in their elders is integrity, honesty, truthfulness, and faith. What they hate most of all is hypocrisy and phoniness. That is why it is important for us to go to church, to read the Bible, and to say grace at the table. Let them see us doing what we would like them to do. Prayer for the day. Take away the front, Father, that so often creeps into my life. I would live in such a way that young people will be drawn to you, too.